So guys, today I'm going to show you how to use KeePass on your Windows. So first, download KeePass from the official website and complete the download and the installation. Next, open the KeePass and click File New. Choose Database and choose this database in Documents. Click Save and add a master password. So add a master password here. 6 add any master password. Now let's click on get password and click on OK. Choose your database name, for example database db1. Add description and click on OK. Skip. Now here will be displayed two entries. Let's delete them and click on add entry, and for title here add some, for example entry 1, and add your username root, for example your real nodes, and hit OK, and this will be your Proton Pass configuration. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.